freehourjob.com, is it legit? Will you make money with it? Well, the actual truth is that... Hey, what's up you guys? This is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I wanted to do some research for you guys because I saw that a ton of you are asking about freehourjob.com. Is it legit? Is it working? Can you make money with it? How long does it take to actually work with freehourjob.com? And the crazy and weird thing is that it doesn't exist anymore, okay? But in this video I wanted to show you how to forget about freehourjob.com and how you can make money in less than 3 hours per day, actually in 30 to 60 minutes per day. This is how I got started online, and I'll show you exactly how to do it working from home. So this is pandemic proof for 2020, 2021 and beyond. So before I'm going to jump into this video, make sure to smash the like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are into making money online and working from home. Click on the bell to get notified each time I go live, and also if you have any questions or you just want to say hi, leave me a comment. With that being said, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, again, freehourjob.com is actually for sale. So it used to be a site. I've never actually visited it, but again, while doing my keyword research, I saw that 1,000 plus people per month are actually looking for freehourjob.com. So it's not working anymore. I've seen some review videos about it saying that it's a scam, so you can just forget about it. Let me show you actually how you can make money in less than 3 hours per day, actually in 30 to 60 minutes per day. This is what I was doing when I was a total beginner, and I still had my full-time job and a part-time job, so I didn't really have any time at all. I had, again, 15 to 30 to 60 minutes per day. So I was selling on Fiverr, okay? So the only thing I could do is I could write. So if you know my videos, I know that I always recommend writing articles and blog posts and maybe SEO articles and content for websites, but actually one of my best-selling gigs was writing emails for people, and this is what I want to show you in this video, and how to actually write emails without being a copywriter or being a professional marketer. So guys, the Fiverr account that I used to use was this one right here, Christina, right? So I actually opened it for my wife, but I ended up using it myself. So you can see I was a level 2 seller. That was years ago, so I'm not using it anymore. But as you can see, I made $10,000 on this account alone. I had a dozen accounts, you know, for different niches. So for writing, for graphic design, for video intros, for videos, etc. So on this account alone, I made $10,000 plus. Okay, so this was actually the gig that we will be talking about today. So I will write an effective email for an email marketing campaign. So guys, what I was doing, I was delivering an email that was 150 words. So in most cases, it took me maybe 3 to 5 minutes to write an email like this. Now I was charging $5 per email. That was back in 2012, 2013, 2014. Today you can actually charge $15 to $20 to $25 per email. So the prices really went up. I joined Fiverr with it. It was really about making money with Fiverr gigs, which means $5 per gig. Nowadays it's sometimes hundreds of dollars that you can make on Fiverr per gig. Okay, so I was doing, you know, one email plus one headline, $5, 3 emails plus 3 headlines, 15, and the premium version was $25, 5 emails and 5 headlines. Okay, so as you can see, I sold 200 gigs. One is still in queue. I'm not sure why. So I was essentially delivering emails, and I just wanted to show you what was I doing. You know, I have just amazing reviews right here. You know, most of them are 5 stars, 4 stars. So again, what you need is just 150 words of copy, of email copy, and most of the information for your email you will get from your client. Okay, so someone orders from you and you just ask them exactly, tell me what to write about. And as you can see, this is one of my orders. Okay, so I found this one. This one is from 2015, so January 2015. This is probably one of my last orders. So this guy essentially said, I have an email marketing campaign with the focus to attract less visible influencers. Okay, so he was creating business cards. Okay, so you know, whatever it is, I was writing emails for a bunch of different businesses. So I actually found that email and I wanted to show you to it right now. Okay, so this is it. So it's 152 words with the subject line. Okay, so the subject line is like 4 words. You know, we have the email itself is like 144 words. So guys, this email took me literally 3 to 5 minutes to write. Again, most of the information was delivered to me by this person. All you have to do is just put it in words. Okay, so guys, if you know nothing about emails, obviously you could do your research online on how to write emails. So guys, actually the first link in the description will subscribe you to my email list, and obviously I do email marketing for years now. You can see how my emails are constructed. Okay, so there's always a call to action, there's a PS, there are multiple links, etc. Okay, so I just found, first of all, subscribe to my email list and see how I'm writing emails to see how you can write emails. Okay, and the same principles will apply to any niche. Okay, so obviously the make money online niche, the work from home niche, the dog niche, the golf niche, whatever. Okay, and I actually found this article, how to write email marketing campaigns, 10 tips. Okay, so first of all, tip number 1 was use actionable language. Okay, so the purpose of each email is for the person to click on the link. Obviously you have a link, or you know, the action can be whatever, clicking on the link, replying, going somewhere, visiting your website, subscribing to your Facebook group or whatever. Okay, so you have to use actionable language, then personalize. Okay, so I've seen that my emails are always more effective if I talk one-to-one to the person. Okay, so if I you know, if it's like a company email that is not personable, it doesn't really work. If I took one-to-one with the person that I'm sending it to, it works much better. Number 3 is prioritize clarity. Okay, so your email can be about a million different things. Okay, if you want the person reading it to take an action, like click on the link, be specific. Okay, don't go on tangents. That's why simple, easy emails straight to the point are the best. Okay, the person reading it needs to have clarity on what you want them to do. Next up, align your subject line with the email copy. Okay, so if the subject line is about something and the email is about something totally different, it will not work. It has to be about the same thing. Next up, establish relevancy. Okay, so guys, if the person reading an email from you doesn't know you, you have to establish relevancy, which means that you have to position yourself as the expert. So that's why they will actually read the email and not just click out. Next up, write in the second person. So again, this is what I already told you. If you are addressing someone, yours, it works much better. Next up, talk about benefits, not features. Okay, so guys, if you're selling a software, for example, you can say, okay, it does this and this. This is not important. You have to say what it will do for you. You will make more money, you will work less, etc. Okay, so benefits, not features, especially if you're selling something in an email. Be brief, guys. Again, 150 words is more than enough, to the point. People don't have time to read emails that are hundreds of words or thousands of words. To the point, you know, don't waste people's time. If I see an email that is like super long, I never read it. If it's like 100 words or 200 words, I always read it because, you know, it's to the point. So be brief. Next up, we have be lovable. So you have to do something different. Okay, so if some other marketers in your niche, or you know, people that you're getting emails from, are all writing sort of in the same kind of a language, just be different. Be you know, use humor, be lovable. So just be different and make your email something that the person that is reading it will memorize. Okay, and last one, use actionable language in your call to action. So guys, call to action is the most important part of your email. So again, if you want them to click on your link, actually tell them, click on this link right now, or go to my website, or you know, join my Facebook group, or you know, whatever it is, follow me on Twitter or follow me on Instagram. You have to tell people what you want them to do. Okay, so if you will be vague and sort of, you know, cryptic, they will not take any action. If you will tell them, click this link right here, go there and do X, Y, and Z, they will. This is called a call to action, and you have to be clear about your call to action. So guys, these are the 10 tips that I found. Definitely they work amazingly well. Again, this video was supposed to be about freehourjob.com. Since it is not available any longer, I just decided to do this quick video about emails and how you can make money writing emails for other people. As you can see, again, this can be really profitable. You can make hundreds if not thousands of dollars doing this if you will decide to do something similar to what I was doing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you are enjoying videos about making money online and working from home, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and also leave me a comment if you have any questions. Let me know where you are from, or maybe you just want to say hi. I really appreciate it. Make sure to watch the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos about making money online and working from home, so not just freehourjob.com, about literally any subject related to make money online. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.